A memorial service for Robert Bobby Digital Dixon, who died Thursday, May 21 from a kidney-related disease, was held on the weekend. He was 59 years old. Family, friends, musicians and entertainers locally and internationally paid emotional tributes during the memorial service. More from Marlon Samuels.
The death of Robert Dixon, more readily known as Bobby Digital, has created a sense of loss and the feeling that an era has passed. In the 1980s, Bobby Digital helped transform the use of rhythm tracks, built primarily on live studio performances in dancehall, to a computerized sound.
His association with legendary King Jammies will go down as one of the most important relationships in the history of modern popular music. It is through this collaboration, brothers and sisters, that many will trace the advent of a distinctive phase of digital production in the annals of Jamaican music. The infectious slang-tang rhythm, or I should say rhythm, with its countless versions, is testament to the transformative power of the musical synergy between Jammies and Bobby Digital. Many who worked with Bobby were truly amazed at the sonic quality with which he was able to generate from his relatively small studio. But Bobby was not only digital, he was magical. He was able to coax emotions and sounds from artists that others might have found impossible to locate. Bobby Digital was the real deal.
He was the producer for many works by a number of artists, including Shabba Ranks, Garnet Silk, Richie Spice, Morgan Heritage, Sizzla, Tony Rebel, Beaneman, and Buju Banton. His son-in-law paid tribute in song.
In the midst of your struggles, you were always right there. In the midst of your struggles, I could feel you near. And even though you're gone, I can hear your voice say, carry on. I know you're listening to the melody, saying, this is my song. Shine on, shine on. You're shining down on me. Shine on, shine on. I know you're marching to that beat, yeah.
Renowned Jamaican performers were among those who acknowledged his musical influence. They demonstrated their admiration, respect, and love through musical tributes.
Yet though I walk in death's dark vale, yet will I fear no evil. Thy rod and staff, they are with me, they surely comforts me. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I remember when the chips are down and nobody was around and you were there. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Wherever you are in heaven, tell God I said you could be an angel. Wherever you are in heaven, tell God I said you deserve a pair of wings.
Robert Bobby Digital Dixon's musical genius and digital soundtracks have made an indelible mark on music in Jamaica and the world. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Marlon Samuels.